See here we have download section. Go here. In a downloads, scroll down, scroll down. Are you able to see guys Selenium client and WebDriver language binding? Okay. See, so many language it supports: Ruby, Java, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript. Now we want Java because we are working on Java. So what is the latest stable version? What is the latest stable version? 3.141.59. So we will go for this latest stable release. Okay. So go here, click on download. Don't click on beta download. Okay, beta download means 4.0 you will get. That we don't want. We want stable. So click on download. As soon as you click on download, are you able to see guys file is downloaded? See, jar is downloaded. Simple. So now guys, I will create one new folder. Let's say this PCE drive. Here I will have OC. What is our batch code, guys? OCSM14. OCSM14 automation. Okay. OCSM14 automation. Here in a download, remove this jar, keep it here. Okay. So guys, jar is downloaded. Now guys, after this, what you need to do? Very simple guys. This is a zip format. Okay. So unzip it, right click, extract all in this folder. Okay. So let's say I will give folder as Selenium Java. Okay. So is everyone clear? See all the jars extract here. Guys, any confusion? All the jars are available here. Okay. Now, guys, these are the steps which you need to follow. These are the steps which you need to follow to get the jars completely. Okay. Get the Selenium WebDriver jars. Is everyone clear up to this? Is everyone clear up to this? Okay. Same Amna, no change. Even though let it be for Mac, jar is jar only. Okay. Jar is jar only. That's it. So, guys, firstly, note down the steps. Steps to download WebDriver jars. Once done with the copy, let me know. Yes, Aditi, write down this. Guys, as soon as done with the copy, let me know. Ah, guys, done. Done with the copy. No, Yogendra. Guys, you guys join late, I guess. I clearly mentioned don't download beta version, get stable version. That's it. Click on download link. Okay. So now guys, like this we will download our jars. Now actual browsers. How many browsers we need, guys? Guys, most probably what I am saying, pay attention carefully. 90% guys, Chrome browser use in a industry. 90%. Okay. Okay, 90% guys. Legina, just follow these steps as it is and download the jars. Okay, after download the jars, save it in some folder. Something like this where I save this. Okay. So, guys, now see 90% people are using Chrome. Okay, Chrome browser. Some people are there who may go for Firefox, may go for Opera, or may go for Microsoft Edge. Instead of Internet Explorer, guys, Microsoft Edge is much better. Okay, much better browser given by Microsoft people. Okay, so most of the time, this four browser runs the industry. Okay, this four browser guys runs industry. Okay, so what we will done? Okay, no Pratiksha. If you want, you can. Okay, if you want, you can. If you don't feel any problem, then fine. Otherwise, first pay attention here and then you can do after the session. Okay. First pay attention, guys. See, I know you people have very much hunger to do parallelly with me only. But in that parallelness, maybe chances are there you will miss some point here, which I will show. So rather than observe carefully and then do the steps. Okay. So now in a actual browsers, guys, you know how to download Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera. Okay, that's just very simple thing, guys. Do you really need steps for that also? If you go to Google and search download Chrome, download Firefox, download Microsoft Edge, download Opera, automatically you will get, guys. Okay, automatically you will get. Okay, so after this, what do we need to do? Browser servers. This is quite interesting. So first, guys, if we want to download, if you want to run on Chrome, then we have to download Chrome driver. Okay, so steps to download browser servers. In that, number one is Chrome driver.exe. So observe, guys, how to download this. Everyone pay attention. Go to selenium.dev website. Click on downloads. In a download, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Can you see browsers, guys? Guys, can you see this section? Browsers. Okay, go here. See, for Firefox, for Internet Explorer, for Safari, for Opera, for Microsoft Edge. Okay, all the browser servers available here. So we want Chrome. So go for Chrome. Click on documentation. Chrome documentation. Now, guys, so now here just now they mentioned this note. Previously it is not there, so don't worry about it. Right now, go for version. Was 92 version of Chrome or 91 version of Chrome? For that, guys, you should aware which version of Chrome you are running. So how to get to know? Go to three dot. See, guys, I am having the update option. Let me go to help. Go to about Google Chrome. I have 19. Now it will update. So let me check, guys. It will update to which version? So whatever version you have in your system, that version Chrome driver you should get. Is everyone get my point? Let me relaunch. Okay. So guys, now see, new version is 91. So go here, click on 91. Exactly what we are having, 91. In this, if you are using Mac, go for Mac. As I am using Windows, so I will prefer Windows. Okay. So go to Windows 32 zip. And guys, can you see Chrome driver is downloaded? Everyone, Chrome browser. So open here, remove this, go in our folder, keep in one folder guys, every setup. Don't worry, this Windows 32 will work everywhere. Let it be 64, 86, anywhere. Okay. So now after this, extract to Chrome driver. See, Chrome driver, you will get here your browser server is available, your application is available. See, if you double click guys, can you see starting Chrome driver is working successfully? Okay, just double click. It is not needed actually, just for your confirmation I am just saying. Okay, so that's it, done. So this part is done. Guys, is everyone clear how to download Chrome browser? Okay, okay. So guys, here I mentioned the steps. You can write down these steps later. Right now, pay attention. We need G code driver. Yes or no, guys? For Firefox. Okay. So, guys, now say for G code driver, again go back to the selenium.deb. See, again go to this selenium.deb. Go to downloads. In a download, go to browsers. In a browsers, you have Firefox. In a Firefox G code driver, click on documentation link. In this guys, you will get all the things. So where you have to go, guys, can you see this G code driver releases? Everyone, can you see this G code driver releases? Okay, so you have to go for G code driver releases. You will redirect to the GitHub link. Okay, here you have all the downloads. See which download we want now. Here be careful guys. Anirudh, now guys, Anirudh asked one very good question. I guess many people will have this. Sir, I have Chrome, why we need Gcode driver? Guys, tell me, in future you will not do cross browser testing? Same script run on multiple browser, you will not do in a future? So for that we need multiple browsers. I hope Anirudh you got the point. Yeah. So now guys, Chrome driver is having only one Windows 32 support everywhere. But for G-code driver, go for 64-bit. If you have 64, go for 64. If you have 32, go for 32. So I will go for 64. So go here, download. Again, show in folder, cut. See guys, I never like to keep the things in downloads. Keep it in separate folder. Okay, for you it will be better. So extract and give the name as G-code driver. See, extraction done, G-code driver. Double click, you will see G-code driver is running. Guys, is everyone getting my point? Is everyone getting my point? Okay. So something like this you will get. Then guys, guys, this part also done. No need to check Firefox version. That one support all the version of Firefox, updated versions. Okay, so no need to worry. Now, okay, see guys, G-code driver steps also I mentioned here. Chrome driver, G-code driver. Now let's say we will use Opera browser. So I will go for Opera driver.exe. Now, how to get Opera driver? Observe here guys carefully. Go back to selenium.dev. See guys, each and everything you will get from this website. So remember this website always. Okay, go to downloads. In a downloads, go to browsers. In a browsers, are you having Opera guys? Guys, any confusion? Okay, so Opera, go. Directly you will get releases. Download for 64. Okay, directly download is done. See, open, cut, paste here, unzip, unzip to Opera driver. That's it. Opera driver also got. Guys, any confusion? See, you will get Opera driver run successfully. Okay. So now Opera also done. So let me get steps of this also. So where I make the changes, guys? Directly open, okay, browser for Opera, okay, then select exact compatible version of Opera, okay, and click on Opera driver. Win64. Okay, so like this Opera. If let's say you want Microsoft Edge, that is also possible. So let's say Microsoft Edge driver .exe. Okay. So if you want for that, same steps guys you have to follow. Go here. In a download, go for browsers. In a browser, see last Edge browser, Microsoft Edge. Go for documentation. Now here you will have so many releases. See, release 91, okay, 92, 92, 93. Now which version? Harish, you joined late, Harish. You didn't see the steps? G-code driver is Firefox only. Okay. So now guys, here go for Microsoft Edge. See, check the version. Which version of Microsoft Edge you are having? So go here. Where? About, see, go to help feedback. Go to about Microsoft. See, which version guys? 91. So can I say guys, we have to download 91? Guys, is everyone getting the, see this 91? Okay. So go here, 91. And for 91, we have exactly match this number also, guys. So my number is 864.64. So 864.64 is this. So download for 86, or you can go for 64 also if you have the link. Okay. So just go. Age a driver will get download. Guys, any confusion up to this? Okay. Okay. So now, guys, no, this will only work here. So again, same story. Go, cut, paste, unzip. Let's say for age driver. Okay. So this is MS age driver. See, it is running. Guys, any confusion up to this now? Any confusion up to this now? Okay. So what are the steps? Steps are very simple. Go here of age, then select exact compatible version of Microsoft Edge. Okay. And get MSEDGE Windows zip file. Okay. So guys, now write down the steps. Steps to download browser servers. Note it down quickly. Same Prashant. Okay. Same exact compatible versions. Okay. And guys, see, most probably we will run on Chrome every script. Parallelly, we will get G code driver, Opera driver, Edge driver in our help. Okay. And guys, one announcement is there for you people. So everyone, guys, whoever are in Bangalore, okay, whoever are in Bangalore, or possible for them to come to the institute from next week Monday, you people can come. You people can come. Is everyone clear? See, some people maybe have some late reservations to come here. That is different story, guys. Whenever you come to Bangalore, come directly. At least whoever in Bangalore and who are ready to come, you people can come from Monday. Okay? Okay? Fine, guys. Note down this. Yes, Shivani. Guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Okay. Okay. So, guys, now observe this. Observe this. Here, now we have to make proper setup. Guys, yes or no? We have to make proper setup now. Okay, because these all the things are done, but how to get these things in an Eclipse in our project, that we have to see now. Up to now we just download, but we didn't configure anything with a project. So let's see guys how to create project. So open your Eclipse, observe this. Now guys, we can have any new Eclipse OC SM14. Okay, get the Eclipse. In this machine guys, some older version of Eclipse is there, no problem. I guess everyone having Eclipse Oxygen, correct? Yeah. So guys, now observe this. Close this welcome screen. Go to Java environment. Okay. These all the steps guys you already aware in your Java sessions. So no problem. Now guys here we will create a project. So new Java project, and let's say our project name is OCSE14 SDEC automation. Okay. Okay. So guys, now see in this, are you able to see guys, by default we will get JRE jars. Java jars are by default available with us. Can everyone see this? Okay. Java jars by default available, but we have to add Selenium jars. So how to add Selenium jars? Pay attention carefully. So guys, right click, go to build path, right click on project guys, project level right click, go to build path. In a build path, go to configure build path. Okay, so this is the step. Go here. In this, go to libraries. See libraries section. In a libraries, go for add external jars. Okay, and here add all external jars. So OCSM automation. Don't add drivers. Driver is not a jar. Okay. Selenium Java. So this one jar you have to add guys. No need to add source level. Just only add this. After this, again go to libraries, libs folder. Add all the jars. That's it. After that, apply. Okay. Can you see all the jars added here externally? See, these are Java jars. These are our Selenium jars. Guys, is everyone clear on how to add the jars? Is everyone clear on how to add the jars? Okay. So, firstly, guys, very firstly, note down this. Neatly note down this. Yes, PL. For every new project, you have to do this. So, Note it down. हाँ guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Okay. So guys, now observe this. Now observe this. Guys, shall we write our first script of automation in our life now? At least let's write first automation script. Okay. See guys, very simple. What we will do, we will launch a browser. We will launch a browser, and after launching a browser, assume here, we will launch a browser, and after launching browser, we will open guys. Which website you want to open? Tell me. We will launch a browser, and after launching browser, which website you want to open? Suggest guys. Oh, okay. Atul idea I like. Cowin.com. Okay. So let's assume guys this website only I want to open. Atul, really it is Cowin, huh? It's a Volvo. Cowin.gov.in. Okay. Okay. So, are you protected? Something like this. Okay. So, this website I want to open. Now, let's write a script. Okay. So, what we will do, guys? Go to SRC. You know, guys, approach. We have to create a package. So, create a package. So, let's say section one, automation. Section 1 automation. Okay. So now in this we will create class. So let's say launch Chrome. Okay. So hey guys, font is very less. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Guys, is it visible? Everyone? Okay. So guys, now here we will have launch Chrome. So obviously guys, we need main method. Okay. We need main method. So declare main method. Okay. So declare main method. Now guys, in this, now we have to launch Chrome guys. So observe here in a Selenium jar. Guys, this jar we added now. See, in this Selenium jar, there is one class specifically available to launch a Chrome browser. That class is Chrome driver class. Okay. See guys, can you see Chrome driver class coming from Selenium jar? What we added? See import. So Chrome driver equals to new of Chrome driver. Guys, any problem in this code? Same kind of code more than 100 times we discuss in a Java session. So create an object of Chrome driver class. It will launch Chrome browser. So here I will mention it. Chrome driver is a special class or it's a specific class to launch Chrome browser. To launch Chrome browser. Okay. So this part is done. Now guys, after this, we want to open guys that website. So to open any application, any web application in a browser, we have a method guys, driver dot get method. Can you see guys, driver? See, Chrome driver is a reference. So driver, can you please get me this URL? Can you please get me this application? So give your URL here. Copy this URL. Copy this URL. Paste. Guys, is everyone clear up to this? Is everyone clear up to this? Okay. So guys, shall we check it is working or not? Shall we check it is working or not? Okay. Now guys, one part you will think, sir, it will work, but tell me guys, where I configure browser server? Tell me, is browser server available in the jars? Is any browser server available in the jar? No, it is not available. Then guys, tell me, we will get confused or not? Chrome driver will confuse or not? Hey boss, no browser server. I am not aware which browser server we have to run. So that's the reason guys. See, if you run without configuring browser server, are you getting the exception guys? Exception means nothing but runtime error. Can you say runtime failure? Okay. We will get illegal state exception. And guys, now only what I am saying, pay attention very carefully. In every automation interview, this question 200% will be there. Tell me any 5 exception you observe in automation. Tell me any 10 exception you get in automation during your work and how you overcome. What is the reason? So that's the reason guys. All exceptions we will categorize at a last page of your copy. So in your automation guys, go to last page and there listed out all exception coming in our flow. Okay. So guys, can I say it is a first exception comes? Yes or no? It is the first exception came. Illegal state exception. Okay. So when we will get this guys, we will get this exception when we try to launch browser without configuring browser server. Guys, any confusion up to this? Any confusion up to this? Okay. So now guys, can I say we have to configure browser server? Guys, you only tell me we have to configure browser server. Okay. So guys, now how to configure browser server? For that guys, go to the system class. Okay, up to now we are using system class for only one purpose, system.out.println. But there are many other uses of this class. System boss, can you please set the property for me? So there is a method set property, system.set property. Which property? Key value. What is the key? Key is available in a exception. See guys, go to exception. Can you see this key guys? Guys, can you see the key? Okay. Copy this key. WebDriver.chrome.driver. So here, give it. Hey, not copied. So copy, paste. So WebDriver.chrome.driver. This is a key. Now value is path of our Chrome driver. What is the path, guys? See, go here in this folder, Chrome driver. In a Chrome driver, this is the path. See, go here slash Chrome driver.exe. You will get the path. Copy this. Hey guys, is everyone understanding or going out of head? Is everyone understanding? Okay. So give the path of Chrome driver. Use double slash here. Observe. You will get practicing. Okay. So now guys, observe this. Observe this. See, guys, let me tell you one thing very clearly. Automation, whenever I am doing any script, you have to run same script after the class in your system. Then only you will get confidence. Is everyone getting my point? Is everyone getting my point? So guys, now whoever is saying going out of head, guys, can you people recall yesterday session? I cover WebDriver communication level architecture. Remember that? Whoever got confused, okay. So we will have WebDriver script. We will have Chrome driver browser server, and here actual browser. So if this is a script, this is a script, this is Chrome driver .exe browser server, and this is actual Chrome browser. Okay. Now in this, first you have to write a script. Then the script will connect to Chrome driver and browser server interact. Guys, still you are not getting what I am doing. See, I wrote a script. This is step one. Step one. Okay. Configure Chrome browser server. Step 2. That is internal part, Lakshman. That is the internal structure. We cannot see it. In a WebDriver library, in this jar, what we added, that is by default available there. Okay. So now step 2 is launch browser or launch Chrome browser. Okay. And last step is open application. Guys, now at least clear for everyone. Now is it clear for everyone? Okay. Configure Chrome browser, launch the browser and open application. Okay. No Sapan, No, get means get is a method coming from Chrome driver class which is used to open application. That's it. Up to now I can say only this. Okay, you didn't understood how I derived this key. Very simple. Don't configure this. Don't configure this. You will get run the program. You will get runtime failure. In a failure, you will get illegal state exception. Just read this exception. Here you will find the key. Now is it clear how I get the key? Guys, this happens if you lose your concentration from a screen. Okay. So pay attention. Trust me guys, now only I am saying. Automation is not like you will read the notes and you will understand. To be honestly, I am saying. Okay. Yes, Atithi, this is the way. Automation means when I will do, observe carefully. Guys, if you have 90% accuracy in observation, you will understand 90%. If you have 50% accuracy in observation, understand 50%. If you have 100%, then you will get 100%. Is it clear? Observe neatly what I am doing. That's it. Okay. So now, guys, configure this uncomment. So we have to configure. Save this. This is the path where my Chrome driver is available. And now, guys, see the magic. Guys, shall we run the script? Everyone? And say, now I will not do anything. I will just click on run. Automatically Chrome browser launch. Automatically this website will get open. Okay, see. Is it working? Everyone? No, PL, never. It never open in existing tab. It always run a give you a fresh start. Okay. It will launch a new Chrome browser and open you new application. And here you will get Chrome is being controlled by automation software. Guys, that's it. Script run successfully. Guys, feels interesting. Feeling interesting. From our code, our things will behave. Okay. Now, guys, guys, one thing, how I get the path. Yes, Atul, exactly. Now, how to get this path? You people get confused here also means we download this all the things. In that, go to Chrome driver. See, this is path. This same path I give. That's it. Okay, guys, write down this. Launching Chrome browser. Write down the script. Once done with the copy, let me know. Ravi, Ravi, guys, he is saying, sir, in a path, no dot exe, how you are writing? Guys, observe carefully. When I am giving, it is a path of only Chrome driver folder. In a Chrome driver folder slash, are you getting Chrome driver.exe? So select this path, that's it. Go here, select this path, okay? Guys, let me to copy. Everyone. Okay. So, guys, exactly similarly, can we people launch Firefox? So let me create a new class. See, guys, let me create new class. Observe here. So I am creating new class. So let's say launch Firefox. Okay. Now, guys, declare main method. Now, first thing is to launch, just like to launch Chrome, we have Chrome driver. To launch Firefox, we have Firefox driver. Guys, is everyone getting my point? See, Firefox driver equals to new of Firefox driver, new of Firefox driver. Then again, guys, same method driver dot get, and what is the URL, guys? This is the URL. Give same URL. Guys, is everyone clear? Only browser launching will change. Method will same only. Only browser launching will change. Now again, can I say, guys, we will get exception because we didn't configure browser server? So run this, get the exception. See, you can get exception. And in a exception, can you find the key? Gcode.driver. Okay, see, we found the key. Copy this key. Now here again, guys, system dot set property key is this, and guys, what is the value? So value is, go here, go to Gcode driver, go to this folder, slash see, get Gcode driver dot exe path, copy this path, come here, paste. Here you have to give double slash. Okay. See, guys, many wait. I'll answer. You guys asking every time we have to get the key like this only. Guys, this is a one-time setup. Now, you came to know what is the key for Firefox, what is the key for Chrome. This key will never get changed. Only the thing is, I am just showing you standard approach. Otherwise, you can remember also, no problem. Okay. So, now guys, save this. Let's try to run. See, see guys. Now Gcode driver, Firefox. Okay, what happened? It is launching. Guys, it launched, but it didn't open website. Why? Wait, let me check. Guys, maybe some internal configuration error. Let me run one more time. I'm not making any changes. Sometimes such issue happen in Firefox, guys. Okay. See, now it is working. Everyone, see, launch Firefox, open Cowin website. Okay. So again, same step, guys. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, launch Firefox, configure Gcode Okay, or Firefox browser server like this. Okay, so and here, just like Chrome driver is a class, specific class to launch Chrome browser, similarly Firefox, similarly guys, Firefox driver to launch Firefox browser. Guys, note down this quickly. Note down this quickly. Ah, guys, tell me the copy. Okay. So, guys, guys, now remaining two browsers like how to launch Microsoft Edge and how to launch Opera. That also we will see, guys. That we will see tomorrow. Okay. But today, guys, at high priority, can you run these two scripts in your in your system? Can you run these two scripts in your system? Okay, do this setup, guys. If anyone face any issue, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Anyone face any issue, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Fine, guys. Tomorrow we will meet exactly 11 a.m. Okay. Fine, guys.